Yes.
Okay, so let me ask you. So those were two secure votes for Cartel.
Secure.
So that means that if Cartel, you think that Cartel will win that year, then Cartel will get the 4 votes, huh?
I understand a great chance. You need more votes than that. But you secure that 4 vote there. You know that vote there will get them couple vote that was secured. You know what I mean?
A 4 Grammy, and I'm an engineer for Cartel song. I say, okay, 1 vote that. I say, Johnny FX, 2 vote that. I say, well, if I'm a governor and him must can get 2 more.
I have the whole of our chapter 2 over here, so you know what I mean? So
may I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Wagwan, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know what things say. So people, when you see the bag of tussle and the dabbling and one bag of thing are going on the media, but this Grammy thing, it's far away. You understand? It's a whole different organization thing than with them. This are no feelings, this are no all of them, because people out there were big, all the big artists and all them get put one side. So imagine the dancehall artists them and you know some of the reggae them. Right? But the brother yeah, seeing him dip on the Grammy board and him explain some things. Some things where you wouldn't even know. You understand? But listen what I go on.
And hear exactly from somebody on the board. So engineers and all that, them it's $100 a year, right? You pay $100 US a year for your membership.
It raised to $150. So we are sponsor. 10 people.
Okay, hold on. So it's $150 a year for your membership, right?
Yeah.
So
if a Grammy don't even know where someone is in a follow me up, crowd of people. Oh, they're not gonna know where someone is.
You see what I try to tell you? A lot of things. You know, him dep on the Grammy board, you know. So him there on the man them, there on the member them, the academic and all of them little thing there. So I try to say, so people might feel like say some of them people really know these artists, them in a different world. You understand? Remember say we in a one little space like we in a Jamaica and the diaspora right now. Them people are outside of that. Some different things. You see what I try to say? So Barry man a big artist, but no means say everybody know him. You see it?
I don't even know Barry man and them big. What I was telling me,
never get a Billboard.
Like, never talk about that.
You never go up on like the Tonight Show. You never do Jimmy Fallon. You know, if you remember the things that they see, you know.
Hold on, basically you're saying the people them where nominate these Grammys, them only look on Jimmy Fallon show and tonight late night with Dan Lennon and all that stuff.
But that ask me this. I saw Cartel make noise. Because the TV thing them keep seeing him. And they say, oh, this guy. So everybody know Town Group it. Because they just keep seeing him on certain platforms. All people have this thing, you know, yo, nah, run in, you know. They don't link me now. Promo tour, we know the promo tour. Only 3 man, we know the promo tour with a smile, you know. But me know personally that I'm Bob Marley, you know. I Shaggy Sean Paul. Okay, we can't remember the second, the third person.
So, basically, you don't know Cartel forward out. So look at now. He might go up on Drink Champs. All of them little places. He might go the bag of interviews overseas. Everywhere he might go. Over more, but everything, them a watch everything, right? So comes them know him. Because before, them never really acknowledge it. Because look, a Cartel never fly to these places and in the lock up in a prison. You understand? So like say people clog up in a them brain, say yo Cartel or whatsoever. So Cartel did have to do what him have to do, market back himself. So comes them a earwag one and all of them little thing there. And somebody say, yo, what him a do the sell arena them and whatsoever. So comes. You understand? And so comes the nomination. Because you don't know a links put Cartel with him there. You understand? That's why you see him get nominated 2 years straight. See him links. You understand? I saw Grammy work links and corruption and one bag of thing going in a Grammy. Because man no man and you know? But quality there they see him with.
Everybody let me know when them song at them no one in a promo tour. But promo tour get you to Wisconsin. You have 14 Grammy chapter, 12 Grammy chapter. There was a specific person who did win a year. Let me tell you, the Morgan Heritage. They went to every chapter, you know. The most chapters them could have go, about 8 or 9. And them go talk to the people them. I said, our name is Morgan Heritage. I saw them winning the first year.
And at that we don't market we self. We just feel like say, when we sang go out there, like a TikTok play, yeah, like a diaspora, Jamaica pick it up, yeah, it play in a party. No, you have the different world out there. Where we don't market to music, we don't market, so we don't even market ourselves. You understand? What Cartel do with the little arena and all of them little thing that the interview, he might remarket himself. You understand? Yeah.
So basically, that means that Grammy have nothing to do with sales and where your album plays.
Experience as part.
So but I go here now to the people them and the Billboard and the this and the that. So everything now people start knowing now. In them start in name start ring a bell.
You can't have a meeting about reggae without not mentioning Cartel now. Can't. You know what I mean? That would be totally biased. And if somebody that doesn't know, by the time they catch somebody might just make a noise and say, hey, yeah, there's this guy from Cartel, he's like making waves, the biggest concert in the stadium. So what? Tell us more about that. And I saw it come up. Because me submit it already. But me know say my word never moved the needle. Somebody must have said, yeah, John FX, yeah, you know, this guy right. I'm so, oh, really? Who's brrr? And I'm looking undeniable. You know what I mean? Because somebody did mention to me, they thought he was like Big Meech. That's where the Big Meech come out around the same time.
So when I see what I talk about people, them thinks a Vice Cartel was Big Meech. You understand? Some drugs man, some something, because they must say, the release from prison and all of them little thing there. That was the person them think. You understand? Because remember, say Cartel no go US about 20 years, you know. And him did lock up, them couldn't see him. So, Grammy people, the worst them now see and all of them little thing there. You understand? You couldn't reach a certain level is in the Grammy. You see what I try to say? So him tour them, him interview, or remarket himself. Why you think say him do the bag of interview and all of them thing there? Have to remarket himself. Everybody, all of them will watch a platform and all of them little thing there. They must see what go on. You understand?
I said, no, not African. Well, African, yeah, but a Jamaican.
Yeah, come to prison and
biggest thing
that come to prison something and all of that.
Yeah, and then when Billboard do, Billboard comes out full.
All right, so
normally Billboard is one lady in the impact machine, you know. One lady with us right for the Mali. That's one like a section, reggae. I'm like a back section. It's on the real.
What's her name?
Her name is Pac Machine. You know. She's the one who write for reggae, a white lady. You see when the real Billboard come for Cartel, not Pac Machine, the real big thing, different thing that, you know what I mean? Because
and put him on the cover. Hold on, that's what I was explaining to them. He wasn't in an article. He was on the cover of Billboard. So I'm telling them, explain to them, say, not that little part. He was on the cover. On the cover of Billboard. Right.
Yes, man. So that moved the needle. As I said, this year when I seen this category now, I said the Shenty and the Cartel, I said, what change? Because I just forced me to dancehall. You know what I mean? The only time you see me, you know what I mean? Wait till you hear the Cartel one drop album. Then you're not going to hear that.
Yeah, Cartel one drop. You understand? So you look like him a part of the member of the board, you know. Him put in things to Cartel like member and you know, and Cartel maybe have other more members. So that's why you see Cartel and nominate, because that's how the Grammy work, you know. It easy if you get nominated once you know a member and you know member know member and put in your name and all of them little thing there, you end up being at the top 5 for the Grammy. You understand? Because them people are know people and know how to. That's why you see Cartel in there. But the problem is these people don't have the control when it reach up to the bigger heads in the Grammy. That's the problem. You understand? When it reach a bigger, you can nominate it, you know. Because this is the thing. You just want to know a few members. A lot of dancehall artists, a lot of people don't really have the links to certain members who are a part of the Grammy board. And that's what play the major role. And remember, say 5, you know, about 70 or maybe 80 had submission, you know. So imagine that square down to 5. You really have to, you know. So when you promote yourself now and market yourself out there, right? And them people are see. When it square down to the 5, they must say, oh, him that I do arena. All right, wait. You understand? And them thing of them look pan. You see me? Because sometimes I'm not really about the album or the album with Cartel. Nobody don't know it. If you listen to it, you wonder what go on. You understand? So we have to look into these things. You see it?
All right, so let's say now, fast forward now, next year. We're not predict the future, but we just say next year forward now, and Cartel have a new album about to drop, plus the 10-year way in drop. So if Cartel keep up this momentum, meaning getting tours, and maybe you see him at Breakfast Club next 2 weeks, shut up, uncle, or maybe you see him different places and he might go have some interviews, and maybe you see him one night even on the Jimmy Fallon show. So I'm just saying, but if him continue all of this leading up to next year, and him have an album, I get nominated again then.
Have to. Remember, it's something we can't be denied, you know.
So people, so basically this was the last year Grammy, you know. So when you hear my talk, so at this year the Grammy, which everything comes true. You understand? Because him do the tour, him do this and do that. That's why you see him nominated for this year again. Because last year coming out, it was a buzz. So yo, Vice Cartel free, all of these things. People are here, do arena, do interview and all of them little thing there. But this year now, the whole of last year, my tour and we don't see what go on. So that's why you see him get nominated again. Because some people in the Grammy I see what go on. But you see when it reach to the heads, for pick out who, because it's not about the album alone. You have to have a team. You understand? That's why you see when them go for Grammy up on the stairs, and not them alone a walk. You have maybe 2 white brother, this is Indian brother. Yeah. Is a bunch of team who put in the work for market themselves, for put up there. Not because you see them artists are winning, no. mean say, yo, them now put in a pro. You in a different world, I think, boy. Yo, cause you now got here because you not really listen reggae. So you not go really know. You listen mostly dancehall. So but them people have for them people who listen for them music. You see me? I saw the Grammy thing work. Because the links there, the team there, are the same circle them a win. From Bob Marley, Coffee them all and major labels play a role. That's why you see Shaggy them and Sean Paul them and Shabba them back in the days. How you think them win Grammy? It's because the major label play a role in it too. Because the label promote your thing. Them put in the work. That's why them as a dancehall artist / reggae could have win back then. Because them have the big label behind them. We have push them in at the thing. How you think Coffee win? At the same label thing and you understand look at them little thing they push you make you can win the Grammy. Majority of the dancehall artists, them not really have that like that. Them not really have the full contract where a label push them like some of them just sign a album deal and all of them little thing there. You understand? So there's more to win the Grammy, a lot of things. Because a lot of people they walk out a meeting, all big artists just walk out. You understand? Drake them, all of them artists, them not enough of them not get Grammy, you know, or them not get the amount where them forget. Because the system corrupts same way. But it's all about, it no matter what sales you get, it no matter this, the corruption there the same way. You see what I try to say about at the end of the day, you have to have a team, you have to have, because look at these people listen to these albums, you know. You understand? If you have trash, it just not gonna work, brother. It is a reggae category, you know. Remember that it's a reggae category. You see it. But you have to structure the thing. See, you can't just put out product and just dash it one side and just expect say yo for just win so and all of these things. You see me?
You know what I mean? They don't want to deny reggae.
What can we do? Like towards the Grammy and submitting our album, and what can we do better? The artists them.
If the artists them, as I say, I'm always available. You know what I mean? You can reach out to some member. You know what I mean? That's what I tell you right now. There's people who are members. If you know, you can just ask question. You know what I mean? And I want to say, you know, say link the one, yeah. You know what I mean? Because what means well, people are wait for get reach out to two. For no who for sub because two we give again recommendation we get every year now. So in order for somebody to come in on the board now, me have to give them one of my recommendations and somebody else have to give them one of them recommendations. There's only two alone we get every year. So me have to give one and then me have to give one and then somebody have to give one. Just as much for one person. But we still have one more left. Me have to give one to the next person and somebody have to give one for the next person.
So when I realize when I see how Cartel come in at the equation, because as him say, people for reach out. But if 100 artists from dancehall reach out, now must mean say the word of them are nominate. You don't know the corruption them are only push the big artists them where more maybe like marketable where when them go to the big man them in a Grammy them can say yo this a man them sell out this or this a man I do this and them say oh okay that's him. You understand? I saw the Grammy thing work. A lot of them not have the links to certain members. Them don't know what go on. And that with our music we don't know who for run to our way. You understand? You might submit yes, but who with the team though you have, we are part of the Grammy where can put in couple words, see and all of them little thing there. That are the major problems. You see it. The Marleys, them always a win. And you understand, as him said, the Morgan Heritage, them, they market themselves, them go to them people, them say, yo, this is me, this is what I do. That's why them win, them introduce themselves, remarketing themselves. Enough of we as dancehall artists, we now market ourselves the real way. You understand? We just still not that little world there. And that's why in this time I want not to win no Grammy. Because at the end of the day, some of our music it not even marketable either. You understand? The slackness, the all of them little thing there. You see it? So at the end of the day, I saw your thing work. If you are pre-Grammy, try do something different. Yeah, do something different. Cartel have the links, that's why I'm going to nominate. Maybe on links I'm going to get nominated again. Because him have the people who are putting in the work for him. You understand? The members, every little thing. I see him with Spice. You see me? But this is what I must say.
Cartel and Shensi and the Bob Marley, them have no idea.
No idea. The only thing might happen, somebody might prep somebody, so him control that, and then somebody might message him and say, oh, look out for, you know what I mean? But that, you know what I mean? They don't have no idea. No idea.
Because I still politics at the end of the day.
Yeah.
I still links. Links. I want to use the correct word because I hear me talk to. Yeah.
Still top part. But at the top part, have some quality and some other, and another factor. You know what I mean? Because at the top, I see them run out big name people all the time. But at the final round, so, that no mix good, take it up. You know what I mean? See that all the time. Big name people. Flex. You know what I mean?
So all of the people them who talk about this and that, you know, hear that. You understand? The big name them, it could have been Drake, it could have been anybody. Whatever now mix good, take off that. These are the things we're supposed to look on. We're supposed to have a team where make sure say the quality music ready. When them listen to it, It ready, alright, put that on top. The corruption, but you have people up there. These people have producers, mixers where critique the work, look on it and say, alright, this and that. Because look here, once you get that Grammy, it's a highlight you get, Seeing? And people are going to say, oh, him win reggae. Alright, me I go listen to it. You know what, when them listen to it, yeah, hear some, you understand? Certain little things, you know what them I hear about now, come from prison, good. You understand? These are the things we're supposed to look on. We're supposed to put in quality. You see, but me I go play a video. You see me with Cartel and he might tell you what I go on. Can look here.
No, yes, Chris.
So Cartel I go explain. You don't know him have a distributor where him just send. Him say too, but listen.
No, yeah. When we get the date, I'm gonna make you know. Cause remember, paper sign everything already, but we just don't rush it. That's why when the distributor say she need a EP, we just put some song together and formulate them and just say, yo, hold this. You never take me 2 hours to do that.
Alright, so me I try to say. So basically, it look like him never did a plan for submit anything, but him distributor say, yo, do this. Which distributor maybe have some links or the person with they on the Grammy board or whatsoever. And the same first guy, him they on the board too. So that are 2 and Cartel have the people in the Grammy. That's why you see him nominated 2 years. It's not because some of the time you might be listening to album. Sometimes the links, them just make it get passed through. Them say, yo, him. And worse, Cartel market himself back over again. The interviews, the arena tours, all of these things. You don't know his social media world work already. So they must see him. So when them see that name they come up now, them not even to one pre-no project, them not pre-no album. You understand? So sometimes when you hear people are called up, yo, why me gonna nominate him then and not give him? Brother, these projects, some of the time them not really listen to it, listen to everything or whatsoever, brother. Is a link so you have. So them say, alright, me see him a market himself more now, me know him. So look here now, we're gonna put up that project for nomination, but no must mean say you're gonna win. Because when it reach up to the big heads now, and them start critique it, start look on the rhythm, the sound, everything, the this and the that, you now go get the Grammy. You understand it? Now, and as Cartel say, I just 2 hours a man take and jot up something and just give. So it sure say him never put him full potential in the work. So that sure say, yo, it no really worthy for Grammy, brother. You see it? At the end of the day, quality of a dead, that means say it's only quality. Bring it to the winning the Grammy. But quality of a dead, same way. You understand? But me I go show you say the same thing with Spice. You understand? Want to listen.
You're my
Want to listen because I saw come Spice get nominated because Spice do 2 albums. I think she do one in 2021 and 2024. Something like so, yeah. And she did get nominated because she don't even know because look here. A way after she realized alright, she get the links. But remember say Spice market for herself, She depend on love and hip hop. And when the same Grammy thing, she well market herself. Everybody know her because the love and hip hop there. And majority of them people watch them thing. And she always do interviews and all of them little things. So when she gets submit and the links were in the thing, right? When she gets submit, right? It even easier for she get nominated because people don't see her already. Remember say she and Cardi B them, enough of them label people and so them see Spice, she depend on love and hip hop. Them people are watch and interview them and all of them little thing there. You understand? That a one thing we can say with her, she always a market herself as an artist. You see me? But she a go tell you how comes she get the nomination because her friend was a part of the Grammy board. You understand? She did things say, yo, she never did a go do it and, but at the end of the day, her friend put in the work for her. But listen.
Shaggy, you're my hero. I know you're tired to hear I tell you that I love you. But I'm going to tell you today again, Shaggy. I love you. I appreciate you. You're my hero. There's a lot of people to thank. And I'm going to take my time. I'm going to go through them one by one. Because even though a lot of people fight me, and even though a lot of people bring me down, there's so many people out there who love me, who push me, inspire me, who believe in me. And today, I'm Grammy nominated.
And this is a problem. When she said Shaggy, remember say back in the days, Shaggy win the Grammy, right? Shaggy, although him not signed to a label no more, him still have the connection, right? So him know people in the industry over there who maybe work with Grammy, whatever them do with Grammy. And remember say, I think the same go down there did the part of the project yet, I think so. I think the go down there song with them do. We get must be gold in Canada or whatever. That did the so Shaggy pull some string for her. Because him know the links to the Grammy and you don't know with film label and them make him get the Grammy back then because him signed to the label them. So the label them play a major part in it too because a whole of them are one link. Right? So come she could have get nominated. Plus, she have other people. That's why she has say, yo, she have other names, she have people for call out. But she have a friend as well with the part of the Grammy board. Just watch the video.
After me, that would always hear me and say, put some respect on her name. We were on vacation in Africa. And she's a member of the Grammy board, and she got the email and she was saying, tomorrow is the deadline. I have to submit you. That's it, submit. She said, tomorrow's the deadline for Grammy. I'm a part of the Grammy board, I'm going to submit you. I was doubtful, to be honest, because sometimes we make society and people put a doubt in our mind, say it's impossible. Say, people say it's impossible, we're going to leave it at that. I remember me always say me a little Gracie, Little Gracie. So I said, Cho, and she said, no. I'm going to put it in and never know what can happen. And this is Dr. Mida. She sat there. And remember me telling her, say, we forgot outside, go swim. We forgot to take picture with the giraffe. I'm excited to see the animal them outside. The monkey bite me on my finger. I never forget. And the girl sit down and type. She type them, ask some questions. I never know say somebody could have sit down on one computer for nearly 5 hours. Thank you. Okay. I'm happy for you. We did it. She believed in me from day one. She believed in me even when I was...
So even though she does it, I go say, even though she do it herself, the same friend put in the work, Shaggy put in the work for her. Every Grammy, don't feel like say, as an independent artist, you can't just win Grammy, so no, it not go work. You understand? You go as well when you submit your thing in the 80 submissions, them now see you have to have somebody who are put in the work for you in a Grammy and all of them like thing there. You understand? And not one and not two, you have to have a good links at this a link, this a link, this a link. As so comes you nominate. It's easy. It's just that you wanna reach out or when I have them links you have to really get. You understand? Because at the end of the day, if you are an artist with just boss, right? And you say you submit, no, it's not gonna work. You will never get nominated. You have to market yourself first. You have to have these people where I pull string for you in a Grammy. The team, that's what I tell you. Check every artist will get Grammy. Look if them alone I walk up on stage. Them have them team will put in the work for them get the Grammy. Don't feel like say you alone can't do it. You understand? You have to have a team. You might have one and few years so make you get nominated. But you see if you reach up there, so when it reach to the big man and the big people them, you have to have that structure there. You have to market yourself during the Grammy. Because Grammy big, you have different academies, everything. Grammy, you know, like a normal is a big thing, big organization. That's why Johnny Fix tell you a while ago, say, yo, when they reach up to that big level there, quality, all the big artists, them get put one side for lefty place. So this a little dancer, a little artist, bag of cussing and the brother, them people are not seeing nothing. You understand? Them not seeing that thing. So, when you see how the Grammy thing work now, how you get nominated, you have to have your links. Cartel have your links. So all next year again, him going to get nominated. But not sure if him going to win the Grammy. You understand? And these are the things because 2 years now we're nominated. People hard to get nominated nowadays. But because them not have them type of links there. And the music what we do, it not reach a reason bag. Yeah, it might get nominated, yes. But if you reach to the Grammy winning level, nah. If you pull some strings. You understand? The Marley family, them big in it, see them here. You see, but me have a next video for no ear. You understand? This is the same you.
They submitted it.
You see it?
I don't even...
So look at now, I think he might talk about Cartel album or whatsoever. But listen what I go on.
They submitted it. I don't even think I see this in consideration.
No, it never nothing.
Yeah, I never really submit in time.
Okay, so let me ask you a question. So
album drop July.
You depend it. The album as a producer.
Yeah.
But also on the other Grammy one when 3 Grammy with Jay-Z.
Jimmy Douglas.
Jimmy Douglas is the engineer, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let me ask you. So those were 2 secure votes for Cartel.
Secure. And Jimmy, guess what Jimmy have? Jimmy have the whole of the cameras trustee. Me a governor below trustee. You know.
So that means if Cartel, you think the Cartel will win that year, the Cartel will get the 4 votes.
I understand a great chance. You need more votes than that. But you secure that 4 votes there.
So you see it? You need more votes than that. You understand? You have to get a huge sum of votes, but if you like say 4 votes. But it's sure you say Cartel have some people in a Grammy were secure. You understand? But it's not the amount where if you make him win the Grammy. That's the problem.
You know that vote they will get them couple vote that was secured. You know what I mean? We know
I'm still upset to hear that, you know that. I'm still upset, you know.
What? Yeah, man, it have a piece. I remember that was my...
Because when I see it, me I say, yo, that Douglas brother, you have 4 Grammy, 4 Grammy, my battery.
4.
You have 4 Grammy, and I'm an engineer for Cartel song. I say, okay, 1 vote that. I say, Johnny Fix, 2 vote that. Me I say, well, if I'm a governor, and him can get 2 more.
I want the whole chapter 2 over here, so you know what I mean? So the thing is, when I don't think the label submitted it. I'm not sure what happened with that.
Yes, people. So look here. Them a take them time build an organization they for Cartel win the Grammy, you know. You understand? It down there in the pipeline. That's all me have to say. Them a go try some way, find some way, but them have to make sure say yo the quality dead. You understand? But down the line we see, cause anything possible. You saw me I try to say, but people, big up on yourself, you know. I just a little understanding how the Grammy thing work, cause trust me, Grammy thing is not a baby thing. Yeah, man. So the bag of emotional raise and all of them little thing there, it don't even make no sense, cause them thing they not face Grammy. You understand? Yeah, cause every year we cuss and all of them thing there. But we don't do the things we reach that level there. We just use emotions. Yo, what Bob and this and that and we. But do we promote ourselves? Do we what we do? Market ourselves. These are the things we're supposed to pray. You understand? But people, big up on yourself, you know, don't know one media facts. That is it.